We shall go with Mathematics Class 9 from Unit 3, Lesson 9, based on linear equations in two variables. I shall give the points here. Unit 3, Lesson 9, linear equations in two variables. Okay? Then we will go with point definition number 1. An equation is the equality. We can take first for the equation, definition of equation. And equation is the equality. An equation is the equality of the values of two expressions. Of the values of two expressions. Then when we go with the linear equations in two variables, how can we get the two variables equation definition? Here we can go. An equation of the form, it's given in the textbook, an equation of the formed. We can make one example for that, but based on textbook, that is ax plus by plus c equals 0. You can put comma, where a, b, and c, where a, b, and c are real numbers. What are real numbers? We will come later on with chapter 1. Real numbers. And we can take some more. And A and B. And A and B are not both 0. Okay? Then this type of equation is called a linear equation in two variables. Okay. Now how do we get? We can take one example base for the chapter 9. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers, and a and b are both not 0. We can underline this one with another chalk, make it known. These are important. A and B are not both 0. Then we can take one example based on chapter 9 or exercise 9.1. Oleh? Exercise 9.1. Claim a definition. He class 10 zerlayatan and definition le and basic effect. We can go this to the definitions to be done next year in class 10. Okay? Then, if we are, I can take one example to number 9 or exercise 9.1. I can plot out one question, that is question number 2. The question is given, express the following linear equation in the form ax plus by plus C equals 0 and indicate the values of A, B, and C. So, number 2 is given the question in the textbook is 5x plus 3y equal 8.35 recurring or a repeated decimal. Then if I start with given equation here, given equation is, I can shift the value here. Coefficient of x is 5, coefficient of y is 3, and c stands for constant is 5x plus 3y. I can arrange it minus, it can be written as 8.35 recurring or equal to 0. Here, kahanin A value so A equal 5, comma, B equal 3, and C value kahanin minus mga minus negative sign 8.35 recurring. That's all for exercise 9.1. When we go with exercise 9.2, we have to find in exercise 9.2, I shall plot one question for exercise 9.2, that is, write for any four solutions in each of the following equations. I will change the question a bit. It not be to 4 solutions. We can make only up to 3 also. If you know 2 or 3, we can extend 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever we wish. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. Okay? Yeah. I hope you understand from exercise 9.1. Okay, I shall skip to exercise 9.2. Okay, I shall go to exercise 9.2. It is not that lengthy, this chapter is not that lengthy. 9.2, question number 2. 9.2, question number 2. Write 4 solutions. I can go this one. Yeah. Right. I can change the question a bit. 3 solutions. Write 3 solutions for, I can take one question from there, that is question number 1. X equal 4y. How can we make 3 solutions for x equal 4y? Then I can take one solution here. That is, we can firstly, as previous 9.1 exercise, given equation. Given equation. An equation have a question given to x equal 4y. The kind substitution method substitute the left equal right left is equal to right, we already know. So we will substitute or putting y value in any numbers we wish. Example, we can take, suppose putting y equals 0. Then what do we get? X equal 4 multiply in place of y. Y it can 0 in can it can equal 4 less 0 in multiply 0 value. Ta kan nge lo su ang helahan x I le y I kan x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Bok an lo ni ang so next step voi thum kling han 3 solution. Then we can take up to 3 steps because the question asks 3 solutions. If the question asks 4 solutions, you can go 4 steps. Y equal 1. What do we get? We get x equal 4 multiply 1 equal 4 ones are 4. That means the abscissa or 4 here, y we got 1. Okay? Then when we go with another last one, that is the third solution, y equal, I can change any number. Let's say I can put y equal minus 1. Change. Okay, what do we get? Come on. We get here x equal, okay, I can put dot dot here for avoid confusion. Minus 1 equal, here plus sign, for value we got plus sign, plus into minus, minus, 4 ones are 4. Okay, the three solutions, now we get the three solutions. Therefore, the three solutions for x equal 4y equal or is r. Okay, the first one here, let us write first this one, minus 1. The first bracket is 0, 0. Okay, x, y, comma. Second, 4, 1. Third, minus 4, minus 1. Hope you got it. So this is what we get from the exercise 2. Exercise 2 tang akanin graph. Ano kaya nga graph akanin exercise 2 kan kilawanga. We shall not do the graph in exercise 2. We will skip to the coordinate geometry after we finish this chapter. Then there we will study the same base topic, same solution, same procedures as from chapter 9 and based with the coordinate geometry. We will deal with coordinate geometry in the periods to come.